Hi, I'm Ian. I'm the Director of Strategy and Partnerships at Robert Heath Heating. I'm here today to take you through some information on heat pumps. We hope you find this video useful. So the way a air source heat pump works is it's drawing air from the rear and drawing it across the heat exchanger to capture that energy and then blowing the air out the front. To help your heat pump be as efficient as humanly possible, it's important to keep it clear. So try not to place patio furniture and items in front of the unit, which will restrict airflow, but also be careful with positioning of plants to ensure those plants aren't either going to grow and obstruct the unit, or even worse, grow into the unit, potentially cause damage. So when your heat pump is running, it's taking heat energy out of the air. By doing so, it's reducing the air's ability to retain moisture, and you'll find that particularly in winter periods, ice will slowly start to build on the back of your unit. It's perfectly normal, and the unit is designed to deal with this. What you'll find is once enough ice builds up on the back of the unit, it will go into what we call defrost mode. So it will slowly defrost the heat exchanger to then start again. The reason I mention this is when it's defrosting, you'll see steam coming off the back of the unit as it's melting the ice. Some people look at it and think that might be smoke, there might be a problem, but it's perfectly normal and the unit is designed to deal with this. So to achieve optimal efficiency, my advice would be to maintain a consistent temperature in your home. Now I don't mean keeping it to the same temperature day and night, but try and aim for two temperatures. One we call a fallback temperature, which is a lower temperature overnight, yet maintaining a temperature level, and then your comfort level temperature during the day. The reason I recommend this, it's a bit like a principle of spinning a plate. It takes a lot of energy to get the plate spinning on the pole in the first place. But once it's spinning, it takes very little energy to maintain that spin. A heat pump is very similar. Once it's got the property to temperature, it can comfortably tick along in the background using very little energy to maintain that temperature for you, rather than trying to sprint to get it up to temperature, then allow the property to cool down and then start the process again. In the unlikely event that you have an issue with your unit, please take note of any fault codes that may be displayed on your internal display and advise the operator when you call for support as to what those codes are. That will help give the engineer as much information as possible to not only ensure they know what they need to address when they arrive, but also help them to ensure they have the right parts on their vehicle for your visit. If you're still not sure or have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us either via our website, via email, or via the phone. We'll be happy to help you.